Bowl of cereal. Take
Here we are
3.
Sound design, when done right, seems to seamlessly integrate in the video that you are being shown on a screen. So much so that it doesn't even capture the viewer's attention, but always makes them feel. And to prove my point, you probably didn't even notice that I was making a table beat to the 21st Century Fox logo theme song. Yeah, in the background of this video as we speak. So essentially, I have 4 clips that I want to create sound effects for. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. For our first clip, we are going to be making the sound effects for the pouring cereal video that I made. And I'm going to be using this little bucket right here in order to recreate this small bits falling into a bowl-like structure. I did get some small bits, and we are going to be using nails. Okay, everyone, shh, listen up. First clip, here we go. It even has a cereal dust. We're gonna try that again. So it appears that the nails don't really want to come out individually. They kind of prefer coming out in small chunks. I did forget to take into account the fact that there could be larger cereals that could be making more of a thud sound. So I'm going to be using this metal spoon to kind of recreate that.
Bowl of cereal. Take 3.
For this next clip, I want to recreate that kind of splashingness that the milk would have on the cereal. So I have a bucket of water, and we're just gonna do our best to make some really nice water sounds. Clip 2, take 1.
As the milk pours, it might get a little bit more violent.
I think we're gonna need to take this outside in order for me to really captivate what I'm trying to tell in this story.
I also did realize that
there could be like chunks inside of the milk. So we do want to accommodate for that, as if chunks were falling into the milk itself. So for this one, I kind of wanted to create some, oh, it's going already. Perfect. All right, so I'm actually really excited for this last clip. Because this one's gonna be the most interesting. This one's a little bit more out of my comfort zone. So I think I'm really gonna try to do my best to excel at it. So bees have wings. So I wanted to use this to kind of create that whoosh, whoosh kind of sound. But bees, they also buzz. So I'm gonna use this, So I'm going to be using this little trimmer to kind of bring that buzzing to life. Now, the bee might also, since it's flying through air, could also be experiencing some turbulence. And sometimes turbulence can kind of cause them to go into battle with metal armor. So I'm going to be smashing this metal with a wooden spoon to kind of bring that aspect to life. Oh, all right. I think that brings this video to a screeching halt because I'm really satisfied with the way that all these audios turned out. And I think I did an excellent job at the sound design, but I think it's time for you to be the judge. So I'm going to overlay them over all my clips and show you guys the original with the original audio and then the ones with my design, my sound design. I hate having to hold this thing, but it is what it is.